Push-ups are an effective form of strength training exercise, great for strengthening your core and upper body. Basic push-ups engage your body from top to bottom. It is a fast and effective exercise for building strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. There are numerous benefits of doing push-ups every day. In this video, let's see benefits of doing push-ups every day. 1. Improved core strength and stability. The push-up is one exercise that will engage your back muscles and help you build a strong, stable core to maintain a straight posture. Push-ups help in engaging your core or abdominal muscles as well as the triceps, pectoral muscles, shoulders, thighs and legs. Push-ups are a great workout for building upper body strength and can strengthen your lower back and core. 2. Builds muscle density. The push-up helps to build muscle and improve strength throughout the upper body. It targets the muscles in your chest. Push-ups will improve muscular endurance within the upper body, strengthen both muscles and bones, create lean muscle mass that raises your metabolism. One of the great beneficial effects of push-ups is their ability to improve your low muscle density. 3. Increases focus. Push-ups are great because while your biceps, triceps, shoulders, and chest are all getting a boost, you are also toning and tightening your core. Doing push-ups every day will help you focus better. Performing push-ups can help improve your mental focus. 4. Improves posture. Push-ups are a posture-improving exercise. When push-ups are properly executed, the muscles responsible for supporting posture are strengthened and fine-tuned. The push-up is one exercise that will engage your back muscles and help you build a strong, stable core to maintain a straight posture. 5. Promote weight loss. Push-ups are a solid exercise that builds strength and stamina in many muscles, but don't burn enough calories to lead to significant weight loss. The number of calories push-ups burn vary from person to person. In general, push-ups can burn at least 7 calories per minute. 6. Makes bones stronger. Push-ups are a weight-bearing exercise. They can be an excellent way of building up your bone density, particularly in your upper body. Basically, the more weight that you place on your bones, the stronger they're likely to get. Resistance activities like lifting weights or push-ups to help build muscle, which keeps your bones strong. 7. Improves heart health. Researchers found that the men who had originally performed the most push-ups were least likely to get heart disease. Specifically, those who could do 40 or more push-ups had a 96% lower risk than those who could only do 10 or fewer push-ups. Push-ups can also help to get your heart rate up. While primarily a way to build muscular strength, push-ups can also help to support your cardiovascular health. 8. Increase testosterone. Doing push-ups can help elevate testosterone. Testosterone is responsible for increased muscle mass. Leaner body mass helps control weight and increases energy. Resistance exercise, like push-ups, can naturally cause an increase in your testosterone levels. However, push-ups do not stimulate testosterone production more than lower body exercises that use bigger muscles. 9. Reduces stress. Performing push-ups can help to reduce stress through the release of feel-good chemicals, endorphins, and by curbing the amount of stress hormones circulating through our bodies. Routine exercise helps to release natural endorphins that may reduce stress. 10. Improve your metabolism. The benefits of push-ups include increasing muscle mass, supporting faster metabolism, and burning calories. Since muscles have more resting metabolism than fat mass, the rate at which you burn calories at rest is more with muscles than fat. More the muscle mass, the higher the resting metabolic rate. Push-up is a full-body exercise, and to do that your arms, core, and legs muscles have to be strong. If any of these muscles are weak, it might be difficult for you to do push-ups. Practicing push-ups every day does come with some risks. These include lower back pain, wrist pain, and elbow injury. People can reduce these risks by learning the proper technique for the push-up variations they want to incorporate.